Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'Université University of Blida in Algeria. Today, we are going to present our third lecture titled The Management Styles. I have divided my third lecture into the following four main elements as follows. First element, what are the management styles? The second, what are the types of management styles? Third, language activities. And finally, last element about our assessment, quizzes, tests, and exams. So what are the management styles? A management style is a way in which a manager works to fulfill their objectives, and also MS includes the way that a manager plans, organizes, makes decisions, delegates, and manages their staff members. It can vary widely depending on the company level of management, industry, country, and culture, as well as the person themselves. Second element, what are the different types of management styles? There are three broad categories of management styles: autocratic, democratic, and laissez-faire. So what is autocratic management styles? This type of management follows a top-down approach with one-way communication. Second one, what is a democratic management styles? In this style, managers encourage employees to give input during the decision-making process, but are ultimately responsible for the final decision. Communication goes both ways, top-down and bottom-up, and team cohesiveness is increased. This process allows for diverse opinions, skills, and ideas to inform decisions. Last one, what is laissez-faire management styles? In this style, management takes a hands-off approach to leadership. Staff is trusted to do their work without supervision, and they are left to control their decision-making and problem-solving. Third element, language activities. Knowledge on in a negative way, no knowledge on. Knowledge on is mostly used when we don't have a personal connection or understanding of something. We use it in a more general sense, and it's mostly used in a negative way. No knowledge on, for example, Bilal has no knowledge on this topic, so he should ask Amin. Amin has knowledge on planes. Mohammed Ataf has knowledge on cybersecurity. Mohammed has some knowledge on this, but not a lot. Knowledge of is used when we want to talk about our personal experience with something or how well we understand it. We admitted that we know about the thing, but the level of knowledge is dependent on the context. For example, Ataf has knowledge of digital currencies. Amin has plenty of knowledge of data science and what software to use. Do you have knowledge of social differences in this city? Mustafa has no knowledge of blockchain technology. Faris have knowledge of all the major historical events in our country. Last one, knowledge about. Knowledge about is used when talking about a general understanding of a topic or subject. For example, do they have any knowledge about geographical events in the last 10 years? Mustafa has limited knowledge about coding using Python. What knowledge about this subject can you share with us? Do you have any knowledge about cryptocurrencies? Ahmed has knowledge about deep learning. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, and the exam. Thank you for your attention. See you next week.